as a couple of years tick by, we're going to get away from just the big hype of IoT, like one big umbrella. Oh, these forecasts, IoT is going to be billions and billions and billions of devices. Well, maybe that's true, but I think we'll settle down into, well, there's the industrial internet, and there's things that they're doing in manufacturing and those type of applications, and then there's things in the business, then there's things in consumer. It'll settle down to the applications that really make a lot of sense and add a lot of value. Things that really save money, save time, and really make the application more compelling. Those are the things that are going to kind of win out. Some of the examples I mentioned before with door locks or irrigation controllers and home thermostats. Even think about your car, right? If you had the ability to know whether for example, your motor oil needed to be changed rather than just doing the old every 3,500 miles, or you knew where your tire pressure was. Anything where a wireless sensor and a wireless device could actually add value and make it more compelling, to you, the user, and for the business to market to you. Those are the applications, right? And things that save money and save time and really add productivity. I think we'll settle into those applications in the future, in the near future, actually.
So I see cool applications every day. Some of the cool applications to mention here would be smart farm applications, where I see farmers integrating technology on farms at a rapid scale. I see drone applications being used tremendously. Not only that, we have asset tracking being done to improve our logistics, for better efficiency, for better performance, to just make sure that things are tracked and kept hold of. So these are some topmost applications that I work with customers right now.
First of all, I do see some more consolidation happening in the marketplace, but I really look at it like this, that I think the future of IoT is just really going to be the way of doing business. It's just going to be the way things are done in the future, just like the computer or just like the cell phone. That's really what I see happening.
Standardization and people going to one particular standard is going to be important moving forward. The other thing is security. There's a big concern with all of these devices getting connected together that we have the right level of security. And so if you take a look at some of our Silicon Labs' latest devices, that's part of the big push, is we're putting in the security blocks that are needed to make security available at the component level. And then you got to also make sure that that's secure all the way up to the cloud. So you go back to the pill bottle example, you don't want somebody else knowing all the medication that you're taking. You don't want somebody to be able to tap into that. You only want your doctor or those that are taking care of you to be able to have access to that information. And so security is going to be another feature that has to be adopted by the companies that are building some of these technologies.
Well, obviously one of our key focuses at Telit is cellular modules, and one of the things that we could really use is for the MNOs globally to make the whole process of adopting their technology easier and faster. So customers can get to market with standards and do it in a way that's faster and at a lower cost.
We're in a couple of satellites for NASA, not the highest volume, but kind of cool to talk about. We're in drones. We have a lot of applications in like smart power metering, things like that. And we're also in Taylor Swift's LED dress that she was at in a concert. So we have a really wide breadth of applications, but getting into actual like home automation and power monitoring is really where we're seeing a lot of volume and traction behind our products.
In this IoT world, there's a lot of, are we working together? Are we frenemies here? Or are we competitors in this particular? I think the more collaboration, the more discussions, the more open communications, and the more incorporating the ecosystem partners, the quicker to revenue for all the all our customers involved.